I'll read you a section.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today is a good day because I'm showing you how to make a crazy sustain. Sustain bass for the gods, sustain bass for my heart. My name's Dripment. I make bass music and dubstep, and I teach you into YouTube. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you want to see next. But today, I'm going to show you this sustain bass. Check it out. Nice. Cool. I am going to put this project file in my Patreon for you guys to get all these basses, all these cool basses. But for now, I'm going to show you how I made this sustain. And this is a really good technique that you can use all the time to make sustain. So check it out. Let's do it. First, I'm going to take off these effects real quick on the quickness. Basically, fundamental is just a sub, right? And then after the sub, we use Izotope Trash. This is a trick I learned from GOM. We use iris aliasing in Izotope Trash. And we can mess with these, but right now I'm just using the default setting. And it gives us a ring modulation sound that is very nice to the ear. So we're going to do it. When you have a regular sub like this, then you add the Izotope Trash, and it automatically adds the ring mod. Towards the end, I add a little pitch bend to pitch it down. You can use any sub. This is just operator. Then I add the Dripment loud rack, which is some OTTs, saturators, OTT, saturator, EQ, glue compressor, just to thicken it up, end it with a JST clip to clip it off. So there's a lot of like sub bass in this still. So we get the EQ8, take out the bass, take out some of these frequencies. And there you go. That's an easy sustain. That's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Like an ice cream cone at the beach. Let's hear it in the mix. That's it. That's all I got to show you. Once again, hit me up on my Patreon so you can get all these sounds. Hit me up on my Discord so we can have a little chitty chat. And once again, peace out. Stay fresh. Keep it real.
It's time for